Game Stick Lite 4, Key Setup. Beginner-friendly installation and usage guide. Step 1. Plug in the stick. Insert the Game Stick Lite 4 into an HDMI port on your TV. Use the included extender if needed. Connect the micro USB cable to the stick and plug the USB-R end into either a USB port on your TV or a phone charger. 5V. Wait for the steady blue power light. Step 2. Connect the controller plug, the little USB receiver, into the stick's full-size USB port. Power on your wireless controller. It should pair automatically. Step 3. Switch TV input. Use your TV's remote to change the input source to the HDMI port you used. The Game Stick menu should appear. Step 4. Play games. Use the controller's D-pad, a button to navigate menus. Press B to go back. To save load, hold select. Start during a game. Step 5. Save and favorites. Recent games appear under history. You can favorite games from there.